Where is your favorite place to meet with your friend?
In my living room for sure. I have a nice big couch and many fluffy pillows. A variety of drinks are available, and we can feel free to make ourselves as comfortable as we could.
Do you think there are some places more suitable for meeting with others?
Absolutely. But it depends. I mean, for those who are very sensitive, as I mentioned, public places are more suitable. But for those who are very gregarious and extrovert, actually they don't care where to meet. I mean, the location doesn't matter that much to them.
Are there any differences between your favorite meeting places better than others?
No differences. I have always asked my best friends to come to my home to hang out. It's the best place because we can make ourselves as comfortable as we can.
Why are some meeting places better than others?
Well, I think it's totally personal feelings. Some people would prefer open areas whereas others value privacy. So, different people may have different preferences in terms of the meeting place. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.